It damaged y'all's trucks too?
Yes, sir. Damaged the vehicle like a lot of.
Did y'all see it when it fell down, or?
I was on my truck when it started.
Wow.
Yeah. And all this, I thought it was garbage. It's coming towards my truck. I was sitting on my truck and I said, "Oh my God!" But it didn't. When it was coming like maybe 5-6 feet, it dispersed and went around my truck and knocked my truck. And I said it was only garbage. And I called my employer, and he said, "Yeah, I just told the guys that take it easy on the road. It's gonna be like this."
And this is all debris, I guess, here that was just being thrown from that building.
Every single one of our trucks has damage to it.
Oh my God. Yeah, I guess when the sun comes up, we'll be able to see this a little bit better, but
Yeah.
I can see over here. This is crazy.
Oh yeah, very crazy. But
Yeah,
the next there's a more truck there. That's really bad. Really bad.
We have a trailer that the entire top of where the weld is, that silver weld,
Yeah.
is completely ripped back.
My God.
From here?
Huh?
From us? Yeah.
Where?
19.
Okay, we said it.
The back window.